Again, the A201, here's a claim for profit on work not performed.
Yeah, so this is if we're going to be termination, if the owner breached. So this is the contractor saying, I'm going to terminate. And it says it's for work not executed. Here you're getting profit for work not executed. A lot of owners are going to strike this because why should they pay for profit? But the contractor's saying, hey, owner, you're the one that screwed up here. I'm going to take and terminate this agreement because you're not paying me. I've already committed to a bunch of work. I got materials sitting on the site. I don't have my next job lined up.
Didn't take another job. My subs didn't take their other jobs.
Right.
I have all these other sort of issues. So I have $1 million project and then suddenly it stops. The expectation is that I should still be able to get some of this.
I was going to get a 10% profit on this job. I was $1 million, so I was going to take home $100,000. You're not paying me. We're only $300,000 into this job. I still should get my full profit, and that's what this is saying. Owners are going to push back, but the AIA recognizes that the contractors have a viable argument here.
Yeah, I've seen this one crossed off already.
Yeah,
it's only been out for a little while.
Yeah. So, and then this is termination. That one was a termination by the contractor of the owner. This is the termination by the owner for convenience. So this says, it's just not working out. We just don't like what happens. And again, what the AIA is recognizing here is, sure, the owner shouldn't be stuck with a bad marriage. If it's not going to work with his contractor, they can get out and get somebody else. That's fine.
The point of the contracts is not to put shackles onto people.
Correct.
Like the idea here is that this is a relationship that's going to be ongoing and have long. And if it's not working, it's not working.
You can walk away, but if you walk away, what we're going to say is you need to have certain types of things that you need to pay the contractor for that. And previously, they said along with reasonable overhead and profit of work not executed. But here they have defined now, it includes costs attributable to the termination of subcontracts, so defining what those costs are. You may have a buyout clause of a subcontractor, the termination fee, which was something that would be negotiated up front, and then anything else set forth in the agreement. Right. So there are some costs that the contractor says, I should get this. If you want to walk away, fine. But don't leave me holding the bag here for some of the stuff downstream.
So the owner can terminate for convenience. Really, nobody else can terminate for convenience.
Only the owner can terminate for convenience, but it's at a cost.